In this short tutorial, you will learn how to quickly and easily delete multiple contacts at once on your iPhone. Deleting contacts one by one can be time-consuming, especially if you have a long list of contacts to go through. This trick will help you save time and effort by allowing you to delete multiple contacts in just a few simple steps. To get started, open up the phone app on your iPhone and then tap the Contacts button at the bottom center. Then find the contacts that you want to remove from your device. Then use 2 fingers to tap and hold the first contact, then drag your fingers down or up to select more contacts. Once you've selected all the contacts that you want to delete, release your fingers. Then tap and hold any selected contact, and you'll get these options. Simply tap Delete Contacts, and then tap Delete Contacts one more time to confirm your action. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.